Well, good evening. A live look at what's going on with the heavy rainfall now and some gusty winds up to 50 miles an hour doing some damage to a mobile home in the Trailer Estates area near Bayshore Gardens. Some storms moving through there right now. As you see, the radar loop showing some pretty heavy weather now, making its way through parts of Manatee and Sarasota counties. Expect some heavy downpours, some gusty winds up to maybe 40, 50 miles an hour with that line as it projects itself and moves to the east-southeast at around 40 miles an hour. Here's a look at that possibility of a storm report there. Wind gust up to 50 miles an hour, causing some minor damage near Bayshore Gardens, near the Trailer Estates. Awning was blown off there. You can see that line of heavy rain extending along I-75 through 275 southward through Manatee County, and now entering into Siesta Key, and eventually places southward through Venice and Northport in about a half hour to an hour. It's been raining heavy across parts of our interior counties. Get a look at that, 3.5 inches just east of Arcadia. There is still a flood advisory in effect for that area until 7 o'clock. That may be extended as more rain is on the way at this point. Again, some heavy rainfall now moving through Hardee and DeSoto, as well as Highlands County, with the possibility of some small hail there. And then as we move to the west, you can see that line of intense storms making its way off to the east now at 40 miles an hour. There have been some reports of some damage now near the Trailer Estates, again near Bayshore Gardens into Manatee County. We'll zero in on that area. Sure, there have been a few lightning strikes as well as of late. Some heavy rainfall now entering into Lido, and just an occasional lightning strike, but more importantly has been the strong gusty winds associated with this line as it pushes off to the east. Now again, this is the leading edge where most of the rain and heavy wind is occurring along that gust front. We had damage reported right about here about a half hour, 15 minutes ago, and you can see that rain now heading toward Lakewood Ranch and eventually places like Siesta Key, as well as on into Fruitville and Bee Ridge. Tough driving conditions along I-75. Again, as it all is moving to the east at around 30 to 40 miles an hour. And then behind it, we have some heavier showers developing well offshore. Again, another little piece of energy about 200 miles. So we're not out of the woods quite yet. That'll be on our shore, I think, by sunrise tomorrow. So again, look out. There's a significant weather advisory in effect for parts of the Suncoast, including Manatee and Sarasota counties, until 7:30 this evening as a result of that line pushing through, and then the heavy rainfall occurring near Sebring, causing some flooding problems at this time. We'll join live again as the conditions warrant and as the National Weather Service issues these advisories and the potential for some warnings. Stay with us on Facebook and at mysuncoast.com for further information.